So guys, make sure to stand till the end, because if you make one common mistake you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts diagnostics that you may need. Make sure to stand till the end, we will explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you need to find where the cigarette lighter relay is located, guys, where you can find it, we'll demonstrate in that video today what you need to check. Also, if you need to buy replacement parts and tools, we'll share the information where you can get them from in the video, that way you do not waste money and time. So let's start on it. So before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix transmissions, engines, bodywork, electrical components, fuses, relays. Why we do all that, guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. We have, guys, more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can practically, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you need to buy parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. So the cigarette lighter relay, where you can expect to find it, we will demonstrate on this generation Dodge Challenger right here. The relay, guys, is located in the trunk. By the way, if you want to see where the cigarette lighter fuses are located, you have multiple ones that you need to check. We will have the video on our YouTube channel, check it out. Now, open the trunk, guys. When you open the trunk, lift the carpet liner up on the back side. Underneath you have the spare tire, and on the passenger side is the car battery. Behind it you have a fuse box. That's a closer look. You see these tabs? Push them together and lift the cover up. Underneath you have that layout here. Now, guys, before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Again, if you need to find the fuses for the cigarette lighters, we have the video on the channel. In this video we will just share the relay for any of you, because most cars don't have relay, but this one specifically does. Now, if you have problems with cigarette lights are not working, come in that row of relays. That's relay number 1, 28, 29, 30. Relay number 30 will be the relay that you will need to check for cigarette lighters on your Dodge Challenger. So, guys, this Dodge Challenger has all kinds of different fuses and relays. Those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. We'll, guys, put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some spare ones, put in the glove box, because one time we needed a spare, we couldn't find one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.